Okay, hello everyone. Today is Wednesday, August 5th, and it's a little bit after the regular session close, about an hour and a half. I have a live trading video from my Leeloo account today. So I traded my Leeloo account today, and we had an excellent back-to-back short and a long, and you can see this is live by the yellow border, and the goal was 750, and we achieved 765, so that was 3 ticks of positive slippage. Looks like there was a split fill on the exit here in the slippage. And this line break chart has been pretty impressive. Today was a really narrow range day, so in spite of that, this still performed well. This was filtered by the BWT moving average built into the auto trader. Just want to bring over a 5-minute chart. This is showing the fib grid on this chart, and today's range in the NASDAQ was only 256 ticks. Yesterday it was about 419, and the day before it was about 383. So you can see how of the 3 days this week, this was the narrowest range day, and pretty much sideways action here as in the previous 3 days. So when this happens and the market consolidates, there's usually a substantial move in one direction or the other. So I expect that to happen before the weekend. There's a few charts I've been following for consideration to trade fully automated, and one of them is the Superinco 8-tick using the open range filter. This has a goal of 600, and it's trading 2 contracts with 60 tick targets for both, so estimating $300 per trade. So it had pretty good slippage today. Now this starts trading at 9:31, and had it started trading at 9:30, probably would have got filled way up here. The 500 tick chart that I've been following had a loser today, and again trading at 9:31 probably was responsible for this being a losing day. Had I started trading here, I probably would have hit my goal in the first trade. However, if I would have trailed a stop starting at 75 ticks, because this trade here went 75 ticks, I would have got filled here and probably hit my goal. And even if I wasn't filled anywhere here, this also went 75 ticks. So it might be less risk and better money management, better money management to actually use a trail stop here of 75 ticks. Okay, so I wanted to bring over the performance in my live Leeloo account. It's 56% profitable and averaging about 5 trades a day. And you can see I'm up 1260. This is before commissions. I think I figured out how to add commissions to this, but it'll show up the next time I restart NinjaTrader. If you look in the graphs here, you can see there's been 3 winning days and 2 losing days, and both these losing days were because of that 450 higher time frame chart, so I did not trade that today. I'm going to test that some more. I'm glad I didn't trade it today because it had a losing trade and obviously needs some more work. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.